Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really smooth video transition on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select your video, and I'm just going to separate the video into some parts into 3 parts. You don't have to do this. You can use 3 different clips. So select your video and go to speed. Go to normal and kind of make it a slow motion a little bit, and make sure you select better quality and just press the check mark button and wait for it to be applied to your videos like so. Let's do these 2. .6x speed for mine. You can slow it down to whatever speed you want, by the way, but this is just my preference. So once you're done with that, you're going to add some keyframes. So add keyframes at the beginning and at the end, and then here too at the beginning and at the end, and then also here, beginning and at the end. And at the end of those keyframes, you're going to select the clip and go to adjust, I think. Oh no, sorry, it's not in adjust. Go to opacity and put it down to 50. And you're going to do that to all of the keyframes. So go to opacity, and then go to 50, and do that again once more here. And once you're done, you are going to add in a white overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay, and add a white video. Select add and just adjust it. And then you are going to select splice overlay, and you're going to go to animation, out, fade out, and you're going to adjust the duration till the end of the video. If it's too harsh, just adjust the overlay opacity. If it's too much for you, it's totally up to you though. Then just copy and paste it like that, and then one more, copy and paste it. Oop, that's too far, I think. Okay, let's see. Now once you're done, you're going to go to effects, video effects, and you're going to go to basic, or it's there actually, just select halo blur, adjust the speed to 30-ish and the intensity to 100, and press the check mark button and just adjust it for the beginning of the video, and just copy and paste it for all of the videos like so. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer it all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!